how to find and see your login activity on about your Instagram account. Today guys, I will show you how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. You go first and you open your Instagram. Then when your Instagram is opening like this, you go here down on your profile, then you click, and then you go to this three line and click again. Then you go to settings and click again. Then you go to privacy, or sorry, you go to security and click. Then you go to login activity as you see, then you click, and here you will found your login activity. Like, was this you? This is like the map, the localization of you, where your account was, and and here where you are logged in. This is the place, and this is the phone that you log in with. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you next video.